जुत्ता खिचाउनु
यहाँ एउटा बरु जुत्ता पस्नु पुरा किताएन राम्रो भइगछ नि हो
Stop! But it's so smelly.
July 23rd,
How old is George Washington Carver?
On the website history.com, they say he was 78 years old.
Okay, Google. How old is God?
I understood. How old is God?
Okay, Google. How old is God?
Sorry, I don't understand. But I found something else. Do you want to know when the age of God is?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
On the website theguardian.com, they say they could tell us at least when figurines of gods and cave paintings appeared. I guess not earlier than 200,000 years ago. I'd even say there was no God before the end of the Neolithic age in 1895.
So, how old is James Monroe?
James Monroe was 73 years old when he died in 1831.
Okay, Google. What happened to James Monroe?
According to Wikipedia, following his retirement in 1825, Monroe was plagued by financial difficulties and died on July.
John F. Robert.
Sorry, I don't have any information about that. Truman was 80.